What are you doing? What are you doing? You silly girl. You was playing in the water a minute ago. Ow. No, not me. Not me. You silly. I was fixing to give you a bath. I gotta get you a swimming pool. Potty time. You gonna go play? You gonna go play? Marley, go play. Go play. Go play, pretty girl. Go play. Yeah, there you go. Go ahead. You can play. It's okay. You're so silly. Now I gotta let you dry off a little bit before I can even bring you inside to bathe you. Oh my goodness. You are so silly. You're in the twigs. What are you doing? She runs. We don't dig holes, okay? Come on, Marley. Come on. Meow. Hey, you happy? Marley. You happy? Huh? You happy, girl? I know, it's my pretty girl. You got mud and leaves and everything. You can clean off your face. What am I gonna do with you, huh? Love you, girl. I love you, girl. Badness. All right. Now I need to bathe you for real.